Hi, I'm Rudy Winston from Canon USA to introduce a new super telephoto zoom lens that's aimed squarely at Canon's enthusiast and professional nature, wildlife, and outdoor sports users. The Canon RF200-800 F 6.3 to f9 IS USM is a versatile lens combining powerful telephoto capability and image stabilization in a portable design that many users may be able to handhold. Whether you shoot stills or video, or both, the super telephoto potential of this 200 to 800 millimeter lens is its calling card. It can separate your work from other content creators in sports like surfing, golf, baseball, motorsports, and similar outdoor situations. Wildlife, birds, and nature are another go-to application for this lens. And if 800 millimeters isn't enough, it's compatible with both Canon's RF 1.4 times and 2 times tele extenders. The lens weighs about 4.5 pounds, and its image stabilization delivers up to 5.5 stops of shake correction for steadiness whether you're hand-holding or working with a monopod. Again, many users will probably find this a hand-holdable lens. At 800 millimeters, its minimum focus lets you fill the frame with a subject about 5 by 7 inches in actual size. We are not marketing the 200 to 800 millimeter as an L series lens, but 3 ultra-low dispersion glass elements in its 17 element design ensure excellent color and sharpness. This is a weather-resistant design, gasketed and sealed against dust and moisture. Canon's Nano USM focus means AF that's almost silent and extremely smooth for video operation. Zoom ring tension can be adjusted with a dedicated ring on the lens to match your preferences. At a price that's potentially within reach of many serious still and video enthusiasts, the RF 200 to 800 millimeter F 6.3 to f9 IS USM may be what you need to elevate your telephoto work beyond current popular limits. If super telephoto imagery grabs you visually, I hope you'll give this lens serious consideration. For Canon USA, I'm Rudy Winston. Thanks for joining us.